Healthy, youthful skin starts with natural care. Today, I'm going to share with you the secret to reducing wrinkles using a simple, natural mixture. First, take a fresh aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera is known for its ability to soothe the skin, deeply hydrate it, and stimulate skin regeneration, helping to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps reduce redness, calm irritation, and promote overall skin healing. Next, prepare extra virgin olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, it nourishes the skin, protects against free radicals, and helps fight early signs of aging and wrinkles. Additionally, olive oil deeply moisturizes, improves skin elasticity, helps maintain a healthy glow, and can even help lighten dark spots over time. Extract the aloe vera gel from the leaf and place it in a clean bowl. Then add a tablespoon of olive oil and mix well until fully combined. Before applying, make sure your skin is clean. Then gently apply the mixture to your face, massaging lightly in circular motions for a few minutes. Leave the mask on for 15 minutes to allow your skin to absorb all the nourishing and anti-aging elements. After that, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. You will notice softer, more hydrated skin, reduced redness, and a natural, youthful glow. This simple aloe vera and olive oil mixture is an easy and effective way to reduce wrinkles, deeply moisturize, soothe irritation, and rejuvenate your skin. Try it weekly and give your skin the natural care it deserves. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural anti-aging and skincare tips.